As manufacturers look to optimize the way they work with suppliers, SOLIDWORKS 2016 introduces many new enhancements to model-based definition. Dimension creation is now quicker and easier by simply selecting edges rather than multiple surfaces. Basic dimensions can now be created manually, giving you the freedom to define the ideal tolerance zone. Positioning of offset holes like these are now much easier, as you can automatically snap dimensions into horizontal or vertical alignment. In assemblies like this, it is often necessary to define the size and position of components and features at the assembly level. In SOLIDWORKS 2016, you can now fully annotate assemblies using the DIM Expert functionality, taking the guesswork out of accurately positioning these mounting holes. The visual response of datum reference frames and coordinate systems helps engineering, manufacturing, and inspection quickly identify tolerance zone orientation and location. SOLIDWORKS 2016 also brings many improvements to the output of 3D PDFs. Decal and textures are now supported, and you can now reuse your SOLIDWORKS tables, making it easy to create and maintain title blocks. The PDF can now contain multiple sheets. Each sheet can contain relevant information for manufacturing or suppliers, such as this request for quotation form. Multiple viewports mean you can interrogate different sub-assemblies at the same time, helping reduce any ambiguity. All these improvements help you quickly and accurately communicate your design with downstream manufacturing operations. SOLIDWORKS 2016 provides many more customer-driven enhancements to improve your everyday productivity. View the great capabilities in SOLIDWORKS 2016 at our launch website, and make sure to sign up for a launch event near you. Make great design happen with SOLIDWORKS.